Friends, this is Miss Schrader here. I just wanted to clarify some things for you all. Moving into next week, I will be utilizing Google Classroom, and for those of you who are not already set up with mine, I will be sending out a code. So here's a little just quick how-to on how to access Google Classroom nice and easy from your house. Because I know I'm not the only one using it. Your classroom teachers are probably also utilizing it, and I just want to make sure you all know how to get to it. So you open the internet, and you come to Google. So this right here is a C for me right now. So you would, if someone else is logged in, you would click sign out, and then log in as you using your graduation year, last name, first initial, at lasd.k12.pa.us, and then your your password is your lunch number. I will put that in the comments to this video. So once you're signed in, you click on the square of boxes. Sometimes they're squares, sometimes they're dots. You click on them, and you click on Classroom. When you go to Classroom, if you're already in mine, you will see mine right here, and you can click to access all the things I have. As you see, I'm in multiple classrooms. If you're also one of Mrs. Green's friends, you would click there to access what she wants you to do. You might have things from your math teacher as well. If you are not in my classroom yet, you need to hit the plus, click join class, and type in the code that I will share with those who need to still join Miss Schrader's class. So I hope that helps you get to everything you need. One more thing though from Miss Schrader's. So this, right now there's nothing on it. I will be adding stuff. Stream is any notes or important information. Classwork is where you'll go to get the assignments that you need. So thank you for watching. I hope everyone is staying healthy and happy. And have a great weekend.